Hello, welcome to Advanced Vedic Mathematics course, Panini Ashtadhayayi Sthapatya, lesson 13. In the previous lesson, we had taken Maheshwara Sutras 1 to 4 for their Sthapatya, and in this lesson, we will take 5 to 9, another 5 Maheshwara Sutras. The fifth Maheshwara Sutra is Ha, Ya, Va, Ra, and Ta. It is of TC value 9, 1, 7, 3 and 3. It is 23 and it takes us to a unique feature of 3 plus 5 plus 3 cross 5 with respect to 5 space, which is of a solid order. So the Sthapatya here will be of this reach. The next is Law Ana. The TC values are 5 and 7. Both together make it 12. And it will take us to that now the 6 space enveloped within a transcendental boundary of 12 components. A raised to power 6 is to 12, B raised to power 5. And further here the split will be as 5 boundary components and 7 boundary components. The feature here of 5 and 7 makes a grid for accommodating all the 35 double-digit numbers of 6 place value system. See the reach of Sthapatya from 5th Maheshwara Sutra to 6th Maheshwara Sutra is of great significance as now we are entering the consonants. The first 4 Maheshwara Sutras were restricted up till vowels, all the 9 vowels. And now we are entering the domain of consonants. And it is this feature of consonants which deserves to be appreciated. And it is in this context that when we reach ahead, it will take us to the 7th. The 7th Maheshwara Sutra is accommodating all the 5 fifth row consonants, and the TC value of these is 44, and 44 is the TC value of a Param Vijyon. So the reach here is that this Sthapatya of Param Vijyon would mean that 4 and 4 spaces together will synthesize as 6 space. The next feature here is that the 5th base element is having its Anubandha as well the same. So it is a self-referral phase and stage. It is this feature of 7th Maheshwara Sutra which is of big importance, very big importance, as we are reaching a self-referral stage. Here we were having a transition from the previous sutra's stage of explosion of 5 space within 4 space as of a southern hemisphere. This was up till 4th and we have reached here. From here we have reached here. And now ahead we have reached here. This sequential reach of these 3 steps. Now see Devanagari alphabet, the 5th element, 5th row stands covered now. Now we will be at the 4th row. This is the stage where the letters will be Jha, Bha, having Anubandha Nya. However, the letters Gha, Dha, and Dha, these three letters are having this is Dha, and having Anubandha as Sha. See, this is 5, this is 8, and this is 6. See, 19. Here is 4, here is 6, here is 7. And this takes us to 6 as Anubandha. This is 23. See now, this reach 19 to 23 is taking us to the first sutra at 30, second sutra 40, third sutra 23, and fourth sutra is 19. See here, and it is this reach, it is this feature of 8th and 9th sutras format, and here is of 4th and 3rd. How 3rd and 4th sutras in particular orientation and 8th and 9th in the reverse orientation. These features of Sthapatya, these features of the Maheshwara Sutras 5 to 9, one shall sit comfortably and permit the mind to have a glimpse of it, and let us update our Sthapatya as well as the TCB dictionary. The TCB dictionary will take us to 13, 14, 23, and 19. These are first, second, third, and fourth Maheshwara Sutras. Then we are at 5th, 6th. So here we are having for 5th, we are having 23. For 6th, here is the 5th. And here is the 6th, 12. Then it is 7th. Here in the 7th, we are at 44. Then 8th. Here is the 8th, we are having 19. And here is 9th, we are having 23. Features to be seen are that 23 here for third, it is for fifth, and it is for ninth. These features, that the third, fifth, and ninth, all are having the TC value 23, and this TC value 23 is having feature 3 plus 5 plus 3 multiplied by 5. We know 3 space is the dimensional order of 5 space, and it is this dimensional order which is for triple dimensions. So for all the dimensions of the dimension, we are reaching at this value 23. It is this uniqueness, it is this peculiar, it is this exciting, it is this blissful feature which deserves to be comprehended well, and same deserves to be updated in one's dictionary as well as in Sthapatya. Further, if we add, this is 27, this is 50, this is 69, and you see 69 is 3 into 23. Again, this feature of solid dimensional order of transcendental space deserves to be comprehended. Here we are 35, here we are 79, and here we are 98, and here we are 121, and it is 11 square. And we know 5 space is having 11 geometries range. There are 11 versions of hypercube 5, and we know that G11 takes us to 23. This way, one shall sit comfortably and have a revisit, refocus, reattention about the feature of 23. Now see, the 23 is the basic number which is being availed by the scripture. The 23, firstly it is 3 leading to 2. Further, 3 plus 5 plus 3 multiplied by 5 makes 23. Now if we are in a set where number 3 and 5 are available, then this with first operation addition, second operation multiplication will add the numbers 8 and 15 as well. Now these 8 and 15 numbers will, for addition, lead us to 23, and for multiplication this will lead us to 120. It is this feature of 120, and this makes 143. It is 11 into 13. These are the geometries of 5 space, and these are the geometries of 6 space. And also we know that the synthesis of the geometries of 5 space and geometries of 6 space format will sequentially lead us to 0, 2, minus 0, 2, and 20, minus 13 and 31, and so on. These are the features which, when we have the sets with operations, we have a set with a single operation, we have a set with the double operations. Then when we have two identities, 0 and 1, then 0 plus 0 is 0, 1 into 1 is 1. However, 0 plus 1 is 1, that is leading to this identity, and 1 into 0 is 0, it leads to the second identity. It is this feature, when we replace 0 by 1 and 1 by 0, then what will be the structure of this set with these operations? Say, here is having this focus. It is this focus which takes us to as that the set with operations when takes from 1 space to 3 space, 3 space to 5 space as dimensions, domain, dimension, domain, and how this functions, then we know that if we have a 3 space, 3, 4, 5, and 6, it gives us to 18. There are 18 infinite series of finite groups, and we start with 5, 6, 7, and 8. It gives us 26, and there are 26 body groups. This is to be seen. This is Prakriti, nature, and it is Devta. So one may have a pause here and take note that the value 23 has been properly exploited by the Vedic systems. It is this exploitation or it is this feature which says if we collect all the formulations, all those formulations which are having TC value 23. So first is Sahastra. Its simple rendering is 1000. So if we have the numbers 1 to 1000, then we see we will be having only 168 as the primes, and it is 8 into 21. And 21 as a Sthapatyamay ring rod means there are 8 such Sthapatyamay rods. So it becomes the format of an axis.